All right, a quick update on QNT here. So QNT, looking at it here on the macro monthly chart, where we've been kind of just looking at it to get a better overall picture of what's going on here. And you can see the price is coming down to that support line we drew on the chart. This green line here is the, of course, low to the high 786 on the macro scale here. And we pointed that out in the last update that as long as you're below the 236 here on the other Fibonacci, then there is a very good chance you're coming down to this $58 range, which you're almost there. You're currently at 60, and you are looking here on Quant to drop from where you are right now. If I can get this on there, about another 3% drop here, 2 to 3% drop to that first support level. And if it goes any lower than that, I don't know, really know what to tell you guys. It's going to come all the way back down and potentially make a new low. You can see the bottom here off of this wick is around the $40 area. So if it does not recover here and get a bounce, there's a very good chance this thing's going to have a huge drop. You can see all the way back down there. This is about a 34% drop, and then like I said, there's no guarantees that's going to hold as a bottom, and you could actually make a new low on QNT here. So we'll see what happens here. It's coming to that point. It's last defense, last support level. So 58.5 here is a must-hold price in my opinion for QNT. And if you've watched the other updates on the channel today, I have been kind of mentioning that things are down so far. The market can't really sustain this right now. And at some point, we're going to get a relief rally here. These things are going to get a nice, fat little bounce very soon, in my opinion. So I would not be surprised if maybe tomorrow, sometime this week, we see that happen, because things are at that point to where they really can't break down much further. So 58 is your price to watch. If it gets down there and it bounces, then of course what I can do here on the macro chart, there's no point in really going down to the other time frames here. I'm just going to draw this down to that level. I'm not sure where the wick's going to be, but you can see it is lining up already. So we'll keep it that easy. If 58 holds, you're probably going to bounce right back up to 73 here and get a nice little bounce up. And we'll just measure this all the way up of 25% there. And then we'll just kind of update it from there, because I really don't know what's going to happen right now. Now, with that being said, how high can this thing go? One other thing I would mention that I've mentioned in the past is all these monthly candles here getting stuck at this 140 level at the 0.5. I would say we're not bullish on QNT, and we'll know that it's going to start shooting to the upside once we finally get over 140. That is my opinion, though. Now, just keeping it easy going from today, we have a couple of targets to watch here on QNT. First, the new high at the 1272 at about 960, a 16x from today for that 12.8 billion market cap. And the more bullish target, you can see a 23.5 billion market cap up to the 1414 at $1,300. That gets you about a 23x. And then we do have this bullish target up here, which I've mentioned in the past. An over $2,000 quant would give you a $27.5 billion market cap and about a 38x on your investment. So not bad for QNT once it finally, comes alive here and does something. But with that said, what are your thoughts? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.